want you to ask yourself, are you challenging yourself? Like, nah, for real. Are you overcoming your fears? Are you being the best you can be at all times? If not, then you need to check yourself. Wasting your time watching other people succeed, scrolling down Facebook just wishing. Well, wishing ain't enough. If you want this, you gotta work until your back burns. And when it burns, keep working. And when that wave comes over the rail and breaks you down to your knees, get back up. I don't care if you're soaking wet, that doesn't matter. Remember, you were born wet.